Hi, I'm Becky, the Program Director and Lead Instructor of Lifehouse Body and Soul. We're an innovative, mindful approach to long-term mental and physical health, and we're seeing really incredible outcomes in our clients. Everything we do is grounded in the belief that everything you need, all of the answers you are looking for, are already right here inside of you. Mindfulness invites all of us into the universal skills and awareness to really begin to understand what it means to be human. How do thoughts work? What are my emotions telling me? How does my body hold my stress and react to what is happening around me? Once we start having access to this understanding, we very quickly begin to wonder, why didn't somebody tell me these things sooner? These are all skills we can learn for ourselves that give us the ability to navigate our own lives without relying on anyone or anything outside of us to be okay or tell us how we should be living our lives. This power is inside of you. It's inside of all of us. And it's my great pleasure to invite you into a structure and a community that can empower you to find it for yourself, not just once, but on a daily basis, because that's really what it takes. This program is here to support you for the long haul, through the highs and the lows, the exhilarating moments of awakening, and slogging through the boring and tedious day-to-day, because we are all on a journey that unfolds slowly and imperfectly, one day at a time. So I'd love to share with you two basic elements to our programs: morning daily practice and evening mindfulness classes. Our daily practice combines everything you're looking for all in one place: cardio, yoga, and meditation. For summer scheduled, this daily practice is 75 minutes long and meets 5 days a week. And good news, we have dropped our subscription rates to only $40 a month. That is a killer deal, less than $2 per class. Our daily practice consistently improves people's state of mind and well-being about 30% every time they come, but it also improves their sense of being able to navigate their day-to-day life challenges in positive and healthy ways. We're also really excited to offer summer workshops for the first time. These are 4 to 6 week sessions that teach mindfulness concepts that will help you navigate specific challenges and situations. The curriculum for our workshops is based in the science of mindfulness, which has over 5,000 research studies to back it up. These workshops are also a great value at less than $20 for every session. This is one of the most affordable ways you can support and improve your mental health. Obviously, we see our best outcomes from the participants who commit to both elements of the program, both daily practice and evening mindfulness. But we'd love to welcome you into our family at any level that works for you. No matter where you are in life or what challenges you are facing, there is a place for you here. Welcome to Lifehouse Body and Soul, syncing body, mind, and spirit.